According to the Civil Aviation Safety Regulations, please return to your seat and fasten the seat belt when the fasten seat belt sign is on or instructed by the super crew oxygen mask. Apabila tekanan di kabin berkurang secara tiba-tiba, masker oksigen akan keluar dari panel di atas Anda sehingga terjangkau. Tarik masker ke arah Anda, pasang menutupi mulut dan hidung, kaitkan karetnya di kepala dan bernafaslah seperti biasa. Penumpang yang membawa anak harus memakai masker oksigen terlebih dahulu baru menolong anaknya. In case of loss of pressurization, oxygen mask will drop automatically from the panel above you. Pull the mask towards you and place it over your nose and mouth. Place the elastic strap over your head and tighten it by pulling the nose strap. Remain calm and breathe normally. The oxygen bag may not fully inflate, that is normal. If you are traveling with children, put your oxygen mask first, then help the children. Emergency exit. Pesawat Airbus A320 dilengkapi dengan 8 pintu dan jendela darurat, 2 pintu darurat di kabin bagian depan, 4 jendela darurat di kabin bagian tengah, 2 pintu darurat di kabin bagian belakang. Airbus A320 is equipped with 8 emergency exits, 2 doors in front cabin, 4 windows in middle cabin, 2 doors in aft cabin. Perhatikan sejenak jalan keluar paling dekat dengan Anda, pintu keluar terdekat mungkin ada di belakang Anda. Take a minute to look at the exit closest to you, not the nearest exits may be behind you. Dalam keadaan darurat, lampu petunjuk jalan keluar akan menyala untuk menunjukkan jalan keluar terdekat. The emergency exit light will illuminate during emergency situation and will guide you towards the exit nearest to you. Slide round. Pesawat ini dilengkapi dengan sarana perahu karet untuk digunakan dalam keadaan darurat di air. Pada saat dibutuhkan, awak kabin akan memberi petunjuk cara pemakaian. This aircraft is equipped with slide raft to be used in emergency water landing. The super crew are well trained to use it and will give you the proper guidance whenever required. Life jacket. Baju pelampung Anda terdapat di bawah kursi dan hanya dipakai pada saat keadaan darurat di air. Your life jacket is available under your seat and it is to be used for emergency water landing only. Cara menggunakannya, kalungkan baju pelampung melalui kepala, kancingkan dan eratkan melingkari pinggang Anda. Place the life jacket over your head and secure the strap firmly around your waist. Baju pelampung dikembangkan sesaat sebelum Anda keluar melalui pintu darurat. Bagi penumpang yang keluar melalui jendela darurat dekat sayap, pelampung agar dikembangkan setelah Anda berada di atas sayap. Untuk mengembangkan baju pelampung, tarik sekerasnya ujung merah. Jika baju pelampung tidak dapat mengembang dengan sempurna, tiup pipa karet. Lampu akan menyala jika baterai terendam di air. The life jacket should always be inflated in emergency exit doors. For those passengers evacuating through the emergency windows, inflate the life jacket once you're over the wings. To inflate the life jacket, pull down sharply on the red tab. Should the life jacket fail to inflate, blow into the red tubes. The light will turn on if the battery plugs in water. Safety card. Kartu petunjuk informasi keselamatan terdapat di dalam kantung kursi di depan Anda. Kami mohon Anda membaca dengan seksama sebelum pesawat tinggal landas. Bila Anda membutuhkan bantuan, silakan menghubungi salah satu awak kabin. Terima kasih atas perhatian Anda dan selamat menikmati penerbangan ini. The safety information card on this aircraft is available in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully before takeoff. If there is anything that we can do to make this flight more enjoyable to you, please do not hesitate to let us know. Thank you for your kind attention and we wish you a very pleasant flight. Tamu sekalian terhormat, saat lepas landas sudah dekat, silakan kenakan sabuk pengaman, tegakkan sandaran kursi, melipat meja dan membuka penutup jendela. Terima kasih. Dear super guests, in preparation for takeoff, please fasten your seat belt, make sure your seat back is upright, the table is stowed and your window shade is up. Thank you.
station.